Yes, so here we are at the headquarters, and we're here.
I'm headquarters because you don't come here for big no headquarters.
I'm here.
Mr. T's here.
And our main man Winston is over there.
And
Busy as usual.
yes, Winston is over there.
Giving us knowledge as usual.
Yeah, conducting all the affairs. Yeah.
Yes. About on Sunday, he's going to be cooking a nice meal for anybody but want to come round.
Yeah, if you got, if
So
you
if
have,
you're local, pass around our yard.
yeah, give me the money.
He'll tell you the address in a minute.
Give me the 50 quid.
Once he finish serving our customers, he'll let you know
What
the
you
address.
want? What can give me the money?
And he normally does it. He did it last week and the week before. Sit down and he was drinking, was it Dragon Stout, wasn't it? Dragon Stout.
£7.66.
So if you come and bring some Dragon Stout, that's what he drinks. I'll be honest with you, he's not supposed to drink, but he's still drinking.
You're not supposed to drink neither.
No, nothing wrong with me drinking. pal.
Yes,
Why?
and I'll be a rum you they drink.
Actually, somebody just come back from Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, so Winston is having a cookout.
No cookout. Don't have my yard.
A big cookout at the back there. All are welcome. All are welcome.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Jamaica independence this year was a bit low key. I don't like the way it went. People came out in their colors and celebrate the cause and everything, but my idea of Jamaica independence is nothing like what I've seen. I want to see people commemorating the event in a passionate way because our forefathers, they went through a lot. They went through so much so that we can come now and live in freedom and live peacefully. So we only can show our gratitude to them and celebrate with verve. It was a bit too low-key for me. That's not my idea of Jamaica independence at all. At all.
Yeah, no,
You know, sell it.
Under one,
Yeah.
like in the
So
park
bring it
or
up, bring it
something.
down
Yes,
And
yes.
everybody come and enjoy themselves.
Enjoy themselves. But I think next year it's gonna be bigger and better. We're having something down at 32 Mount Pleasant in September, and we're gonna have a piece of the action in Jamaica there as well. So watch this space. Keep watching this space because we're doing lots and lots of cultural activities to promote the cause and our folklore and our cultural heritage. Yeah? Say again.
It was called. Because what they have to do, they have to change the name of it every year to make sure that they get the grant.
Really?
Yeah, and this is the third year they have done it. And this last year, the first time it was Jamaican Independence. Second time was Jamaican Day. And this year, last Saturday, it was Commonwealth Day.
Commonwealth.
Really?
Yeah. They change it every year to get the grant.
Oh Lord.
If you see Simon, he'll explain to you about it. You know what I mean? And Saturday, spoiled. And also there was mainly Asian people that was here on Saturday, I'm told.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was told it was mainly Asian. There was no sound system, so you ain't gonna get many people coming, are you? And there was other things on, like in Birmingham. And last year there was something on in Wolverhampton itself, so I don't know if it's got anything to do with it. But
Who in the football, Cindy?
oh, Jamaican lost. Is that just the work against the pressure they might give you?
So Jamaica independence one year, Jamaica Day the other year, and Jamaica Commonwealth. It seemed to me like they're going round and round in circles.
And it was all Indians that was here last Saturday. They did it because the
Lots.
Indians are complaining that there's nothing happening for them and are supposed to part of the bid as well. So,
Yeah.
but when you see Simon, just have a chat with Simon and see what he said.
Well, they said there's nothing going on for them.
Oh yeah, they said there's nothing going on for them, and don't forget they're paying the same amount of money as everybody else. But the problem is they're not into entertainment like we are they? We are into entertainment. That's where all our money goes as black people and Jamaicans. We only deal in entertainment. They
Yeah.
deal in saving their money and go open shops and
Who that?
do business. We are entertained.
Yeah, man. So our forefathers went through a lot to fight for our freedom and our liberties. So when we're celebrating for a just cause. Alright, so keep watching this space. Yeah, so 61 years in the making.
What is your birthday? Is your birthday?
Jamaica independence.
Okay.
When today?
61 years in the making.
Or yesterday?
The 6th of
6th
August, 2023.
Jamaica got independence the 6th of August 1962.
That time you're not born yet, Winston.
Man.
No, man.
Them time days about 1.5.
No. 62.
When did Jamaica get independence?
I was 60.
6th of August
No.
1962.
How old you
I
was?
was 4.
4 years old. How old you was?
I was about 8. No, sorry, I was about 6. You know how old was you?
4.
I was about 6.
Is it?
I remember going to school, you know. I remember them give me some sweets, and somebody teeth me sweet to them. It just goes to show people at Jamaica have teeth from them are kids, you know. And we get a cup. Then give you a cup, and some sweets, and some other things. You know what I mean? Remember clearly, and somebody teeth me sweetie. And when me tell the teacher that them teeth me sweetie, them said, hold on, they'll get me some more. And I know me not get it yet. You know what I mean?
Also, them start talk from them young.
Yeah, them start teeth from them young, man. Jamaica people, them. Yo, Mr. T. Hey, boss, what? Hey, you ain't seen Terry, have ya?
Yeah, man, it's always good to reflect on the growing up years in Jamaica and where life has taken us, you know? We have to celebrate Jamaica independence every year, so keep watching this space because it's going to be bigger and better. We're going to make sure those memories and good, awesome achievements of our foreparents never go to waste. Yeah. Well, our motto in Jamaica is out of many, one people. And back in the day, it was Arawak Indians that were the first people in Jamaica. That's what we heard, you know? And that some people come from Africa in a slave ship and the Maroons and all sorts. So I don't have a problem with other people. They incorporating other nationalities into the situation, but it's got to be all about the 6th of August is the day that's dedicated to Jamaica's Jamaica birthday. It's Jamaica birthday, the day that we were declared free from the chains of oppression of the British. Because, you know, the British was ruling us from 1655 right through those times until they say we get independence. You know? So independence with a vengeance. Independence raising Cain. Jamaica start grow beard. I hope a chin can stand the strain. Hey.